Grob is a 100-year-old family-owned business that does CNC milling machines and stations for the e-mobility as focus product. The GMP 300 is a liquid metal printing aluminum printer, a 3D printer, that uses a wire as raw material and prints aluminum parts very fast and safe and cost efficient. You can use it in all kinds of industries, whether it's automotive, aerospace, or for example, automation, where we use printed grippers and clamping fixtures that couldn't be printed in aluminum before because it would have been just too expensive. We chose Beckhoff as a control system because we have to handle a lot of droplets, like 250 to 1000 droplets per second, and also moving axes under the print head. And to synchronize all those parameters, we could only choose Beckhoff because it's the only system that can manage these short cycles.